quik-shield 108YM, or Yield Monster. Yield Monster is an ultra-low density open cell foam that can achieve unprecedented yields of up to 26,000 board feet while maintaining the highest quality. SWD Urethane has re-engineered the basic building blocks of open cell foam to create Yield Monster, the only spray foam on the market that can achieve an ultra-low density of 0.36 pounds per cubic foot. The lower density a foam has, the greater the yield. Yield Monster's cutting-edge ultra-low density gives you up to a 39% greater yield over typical 0.5 density foams. A better product yield makes you more competitive in pricing and helps you win more bids. Yield Monster offers the greatest efficiency. It can be sprayed in attics and crawl spaces without an ignition barrier, saving you time and money. In addition, Yield Monster's lower density grants your equipment greater capabilities to output more board feet per minute. Furthermore, Yield Monster has long-range application, which reduces or eliminates the need to set up ladders and scaffolding. It can be sprayed in a single 8-inch pass from up to 15 feet away without the foam dripping or falling off the roof deck. These features can save you up to 30% on job site install time. Long-range application also reduces the risk of fall-related accidents on the job. Yield Monster has an industry-leading 1-hour reentry without fans. This allows work to continue sooner while ensuring everyone stays in compliance with the manufacturer's instructions. Yield Monster's superior quality ensures reduced callbacks, saving you time and hassle. Yield Monster is specially formulated for superior adhesion and cohesion, resulting in fewer touch-ups, voids, and delamination, giving you a reliable spray every time. No other product in the market can do even one of these features. Yield Monster does it all. The next generation of spray foam. Yield Monster. Contact us to learn more about Yield Monster.